Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. I want to show you a little hack for the DJI Avata 2. I purchased this DJI Avata 2 about 28 days ago. I've tried everything to unlock it and I can't. I've tried the ham file. I was even going to download the DJI Drone Tweaks app, but decided I'd wait and see if something came up right. So tonight I've just found an app that will unlock your DJI Avata 2, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's absolutely simple. Now I know this works because everything I've tried so far, I've checked the frequency on my DJI Avata 2 goggles and the frequency is stuck on auto. I've just done the hack now, literally took me 5 minutes, and it opened up my DJI Avata 2, it unlocked it for free, doesn't cost anything apart from buying him a coffee. And you unlock it anyway before you buy him a coffee. So yeah, I definitely suggest that you watch this video now, and if you've got the DJI Avata 2, let me know in the comments if this worked for you, because if it didn't, I will do another video showing you exactly how I've done it, and I'll show you a video of the goggles with all the settings and the frequency changed to normal mode. So this is how you do it, and this is what you need to download. You need to be downloading this here. It's called Beyond. So you open this up, you download it from the Google search, and you find Beyond DJI FPV Drone Unlocker. Now I searched this to see whether it had the DJI Avata 2 in it, and it doesn't, but I thought I'd try it to see if it worked, and it does. So once you've got this downloaded on your phone or your computer, preferably it's better doing it on your phone because this is how it worked for me. So rather than me rabbiting on anymore, this is what you do. You download the Beyond app and you follow the on-screen prompts. So we go start and it tells you power on your drone. So you do exactly what it's showing you there, power on your drone. Then you power on your goggles, FPV goggles. Make sure they're connected to the drone. Now at this stage it didn't say anything about a controller, but I powered up my controller as well, just so that everything was paired. I don't know if it'll work if you don't do your controller, but it worked first time for me with the controller. So what you do then is you put the USB-C cable into your goggles and the other end of the USB-C cable into your phone. Once you've done that, it's now scanning to find your drone. Now I've already done mine, and I will put a screenshot up on the screen just to show you that it's actually found my goggles and unlocked my drone. Now I didn't get a screenshot of inside with the frequency, but I can guarantee 100% that this works. I've not taken the drone out and flown it yet with this, but I know for certain that the auto channel has changed to manual, and I've got a whole load of different channels, 2.4, 5.8 I think it is, and there's loads of different channels in there. I'm going to have to watch a video and see how to work this myself and see which is the best channel to be on, but I'm well chuffed that I found this app and downloaded it. So there you go. That's what you do. Once it's found your drone on your and your goggles, you'll get a little blue bar coming up where the scanning is. A little blue bar will come up and then it will say drone. Your drone is now unlocked. If this works for you guys, please, I don't need a coffee, I don't need anything, I just need you to help me build my little channel up, my little drone channel. I can't find any other tweaks or anything like that. I'll definitely be posting them. So I've looked all over the internet to try find a hack that does this, and the ham file was the only one that did it, and it didn't even unlock your DJI Avata 2. So with this hack, this actually opens up, you can see that you are getting all them channels, and I'm in the UK and I've just done this in my hotel room right now with this app that I downloaded for free. Don't have to pay for anything, just get the guy a coffee because he's a genius. Right, that's enough for me rabbiting on. I'm going to put this screenshot up. I did take a snapshot of it. I'll go to the snapshot and put it up on the screen. Okay, so just drop out of this. I'll go back to my pictures. Other pictures. Screen lock. And there it goes there, the one that opens up now. This is what you'll get. Beyond. Success. Your drone has been unlocked. If this software is helpful, please consider donating. Now, I got to unlock this without even donating, but I'm going to send the guy more than a coffee because he deserves it. So thank you very much guys for watching this, and I can 100% guarantee that your DJI Avata 2 and pretty much any other drone that you've got, Mavic Mini 2, Mavic Mini 1, I'm pretty certain that this will probably work. Or is it just FPV? I don't know. But you certainly do this, and once you've done it, get back on the channel, leave me a comment and just let me know that this worked for you on the DJI Avata 2 and the DJI Goggles 3 and Motion Controller 3. Cheers guys, thanks very much.